So this will be the criminal, the Tahoe, getting the job done. Let's see if we can pull this house down. Hey guys, we ran out of memory. As soon as it hit the ground, the camera shut off, so I had to clear some memory out. So let's try another wall here. Let's see what happens. That's not what we were expecting at all. Not in the least little bit. We're going to try it again. Well, we're investigating what happened here, and I guess I didn't know it, but fire and being out in the weather for 3 or 4 years will weaken a good 2x4, I guess. So we're going to do a little more cutting. Be right back. And that's what we're looking for. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching.